Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my journey as a developer spanning over 3 decades. From my early days as a physics graduate in 1986 to my current work in ASP .NET Web Applications, SQL Server and VB projects. I will take you through my experiences, challenges, and lessons learned. Join me as I reflect on my growth from a curious student to a seasoned developer and share some insights that might inspire or resonate with you. I still remember graduating with my MSc in Physics from University of Kerala Karyavattam campus in 1986. Little did I know that this would be just the beginning of an incredible journey that would take me from the world of physics to the world of coding and software development. Hello everyone, welcome to my journey. In 1986, I graduated with an MSc in Space Physics and Electronics. During my time in university, I worked on some exciting projects that involved simulating atmospheric phenomena using computer models. These projects not only deepened my understanding of physics but also introduced me to the power of computers in scientific research. Little did I know that this foundation would eventually lead me to a career in software development. In 1989, my life took a significant turn when I got married to my husband who was working in the computer field. This union not only brought joy but also sparked a new interest in computers. I began learning the basics of computers through magazines, including the middle pages of Computer Today magazine, which were designed for beginners. This marked the beginning of my journey into the world of computers. In 1990, our family welcomed a new addition, our daughter. Little did we know that she would grow up to a brilliant data scientist working with complex data sets and driving insights that would shape the world. Her journey is a testament to the power of hard work and dedication. And as a parent, it has been an incredible journey watching her grow and evolve. In 1992, my husband and I took a bold step by starting a computer training center. This venture not only provided a platform for others to learn, but also gave me the opportunity to learn and practice computer skills myself. It was a thrilling experience, and I was able to grasp the basics of computers, which laid the foundation for my future growth in the field. Around this time, our family was also growing, and we welcomed our first son in 1994, followed by another son in 1997. It was a joyous period, and we were grateful for the blessings in our personal and professional lives. In 2000, I embarked on a new journey as a computer teacher at a CBSE school. For the next 15 years, I had the privilege of shaping young minds and teaching them the fundamentals of computer science. It was a rewarding experience, and I enjoyed watching my students grow and develop their skills. During this time, I also continued to work on my own development projects in our software development unit. In 2016, I decided to leave the school and focus on my development work full time. This marked a new chapter in my career where I could dedicate myself to building software solutions and working on projects that I was passionate about. It has been an exciting journey, and I have had the opportunity to work on a wide range of projects and technologies. Today, I am working as an ASP.NET full stack developer, building robust and scalable solutions. I am passionate about sharing my knowledge and experience with others, which is why I started my YouTube channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. It has been amazing to see the community grow, and I am grateful for the support of my 2500 subscribers. My daughter's suggestion to share my career journey has inspired me to create this video series, and I am excited to share my story with you. Currently, I'm working with a range of technologies including VB.NET, ASP.NET, .NET MOVI, API development, and SQL Server. I'm passionate about building robust and scalable solutions using these platforms, and I am always looking to learn more and stay up to date with the latest developments. Currently, I am working on a variety of projects that showcase my skills in different areas. In VB.NET, I have developed hospital management systems and production management systems, both integrated with SQL Server. In ASP.NET, I have worked on projects like OPMR, IPMR, and HR management, among others. I'm also exploring mobile app development with the .NET Movie and building APIs in ASP.NET to support these apps. These projects keep me engaged and allow me to apply my knowledge in real world scenarios. And that's my story. I'm thrilled to share my journey with you, and I hope it has inspired you to pursue your own passions. Technology is constantly evolving, and I am excited to stay ahead of the curve. If you are interested in learning more about ASP.NET, SQL, and software development, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let us learn, grow, and innovate you together. The journey continues. I am excited to share my journey with you, and I hope it inspires you to pursue your passions. As a developer, I have learned that consistency and hard work are essential to achieving success. Every day, I have pushed myself to learn more, to improve, and to preserve. And I am excited to share my knowledge with you. If you are just starting out, don't be afraid to take the first step. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or failures. Keep pushing forward, and you will be amazed at what you can achieve. Believe in yourself, and you will be unstoppable. I want to tell you something that I believe in deeply. If I can achieve my goals, you can too. I am not a special person with extraordinary abilities. I am just someone who worked hard and stayed committed to my vision. And I know that you can do the same. Don't let anyone tell you that you are not capable. You have the power to create, to learn, and to achieve. Believe in yourself and go for it. The only thing holding you back is your own doubt. So, let's do this together. Let us push past our limits and achieve greatness. Prayer has been a source of strength and motivation for me throughout my journey. It has helped me stay focused and driven even when faced with the challenges. When we pray, we tap into our inner power and resilience. We find the motivation we need to keep moving forward no matter what. It's not about waiting for external validation or encouragement. It is about finding the strength within ourselves. Prayer empowers us to take control of our lives and make positive changes. So, I encourage you to tap into the power of prayer and discover your own inner strength. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this journey with me. I hope you have been inspired and encouraged to pursue your passions and dreams. Remember, with faith, hard work, and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. May God bless you and guide you on your own path. Until next time, stay blessed and keep shining your light. Thank you for joining me on this journey. As we conclude, I would like to introduce you to Unifa Technologies, a software firm dedicated to providing innovative and reliable solutions. Our applications are designed to streamline your processes, improve your efficiency, and protect your data. We offer customized solutions, excellent customer support, and competitive pricing. To learn more about how Unifa Technologies can empower your business, visit our website or give us a call. We would be happy to answer your questions and discuss your specific needs. Thank you again for your time.